Hi everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Happy Monday. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm completely changing things around. I had another video that I thought about putting up today, but then I remembered I haven't shared with you the advent calendar I bought. So I thought that's what we would do today. So advent wasn't something that was talked about. I never had even heard of it until, I don't know, probably 10 years ago when I saw somebody unboxing an advent calendar on YouTube. So I kept getting this ad on Facebook for this gingerbread house advent calendar. And I told Rob, like 1st of October into September, I'm like, ooh, I think I really want that. He's like, are you sure? I was like, yeah, I'm gonna wait on it though. I'll see how I feel. And I could not stop thinking about it. So it went on sale, and then I got a subscription, and then there was an extra coupon code, and I ended up getting like $35 off. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and bite the bullet. So I did. So in this video, I am going to share with you me like literally unboxing it from the shipping box. I'll show you the drawers and stuff, and then at the end, there'll be some spoilers for some things that I went ahead and unboxed early. Now I saw this, I went ahead and watched the unboxing, the spoilers on their channel, because I didn't want to invest a lot of money in something I wasn't going to get a whole lot of use out of. So I already knew what was coming for the most part. So I pulled out the days that I knew that I would be using either on cards or in my planner. So that's at the end. So if you also bought this box, then here's your spoiler alert. Spoiler alert. And if you want to see me use items from this gingerbread advent calendar in my planner, make sure you check out my Planning with the Elf channel. I have started posting there again. In fact, one went live at 6 p.m. My December monthly plan with me. So if you're into planning or wanting to get into planning, check out that channel. I was one of the first who was making Plan With Me videos back in 2015. I kind of wish I'd just stuck with it, but I didn't, and hindsight's 2020, right? So yeah. So the last thing I need to remind you of is the current November giveaway. There is a link in the description box down below that will take you to a sign up. It's literally just your first name and your email address, and it's only for this giveaway. I'm not going to sell your information. I'm not going to spam your email box. This was just a way to try to see if I can have a better chance to get a winner, because that's what I've been struggling with, is getting people to respond when I tell them that they're the winner. So that's down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Wednesday, we will have a couple of days of Doodlebug, and then we are barreling towards Christmas. This is crazy. And I can't believe we're at like day 30 almost. So yeah, if you want inspiration, this is my 10th year of doing a holiday card series, and I've already done like 27 or 28 videos up to now for this year. So tons and tons of inspiration, and I'm so excited for the new year, and I hope that you are too. All right, so buckle up, buttercups. I actually did this at my kitchen table, so I can't say let's head to the craft table. So I'm going to share with you this big unboxing. And then Wednesday, we'll make cards. And at some point, I'll use some of these items to make cards maybe we'll do that Wednesday and do Doodlebug on Friday. It'll be a surprise. We'll both find out when it goes live on Wednesday. So yeah, Plan With Me over on Planning with the Elf. I'll have that link down below. A link to the giveaway, all of the things. Let's go. Let's go do this, and let's go. Oy vey, Misty. So here is a look at the advent calendar. I am so excited to pull this out. I am going to open some of it soon, because I want to pull out the stickers. There is an unboxing video on their channel that I'll link for you if you want spoilers. I don't know if these are still for sale. They actually may be. But it's big. It was pretty expensive, but you get so much stuff. So yeah, so I am gonna pull this out, and then I'll share with you what it looks like outside of the box. If you hear that noise in the background, I'm cooking some broccoli in the microwave. I wasn't planning on this, and then I was like, I want to open this, but I want to share it with you guys first. So it came with a couple of freebies. We had this cute little gingerbread plush, and then it came with this bag, and this bag is actually nice. It's got like a really, like a coated canvas, I guess is what you call it. It's lined on the inside. There's a pocket on the back, and then it comes with a strap. There's a pocket on the inside. I think I'm gonna carry this as a purse. I'm gonna carry it as a purse. This is, I think it opens from the front, but they include stickers that you can use to decorate the outside of it. I may use these to decorate the outside of it, but I may also use these in my planner. So we'll have to wait and see. So let me open this up and then I'll show you what's inside. So it opens like this. Uh-oh. I mean, it's huge, you guys. Uh-oh, my things are falling out. So this is what it looks like opened up. You can see it's fairly big. And there are 25 stationery themed items. Some of it I know I won't use. I watched the unboxing because I was like, okay, this is a big investment. And if I don't think I'm going to keep at least half of it, then I didn't want to do it. But I mean, you guys know me. If you follow me at all, you know that I am obsessed with gingerbread. So yeah. All right, I'm gonna go watch the unboxing again, and I wanna pull out the stickers, and then we will look at those, and then I will open the rest of it kind of day by day. Opening some of the days. Now, there will be spoilers, so if you don't want it to be spoiled, don't watch this video. So here's the thing. I had seen this like back in October, and I was like, oh, I kind of like it. And then Rob's like, do you think you really want it? And I was like, I think I do. I was like, I'll give it a few weeks, and if I'm still interested, then I'll go ahead and get it. And so I gave it a few weeks. I was still interested, and I went in and got it. But going into it, knowing what was in it, because they posted a spoiler unboxing on their own channel. So I know roughly what's in it, and I knew I wanted to pick out things that I would want to use for my December planner setups. So that's what we're doing today. So I'm unboxing day 2, 3, 5, 10. Well, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10. 2, 3, 5, 6. 8, 10, 13, 20, and 22. So if you aren't interested in spoilers, now is the time to click out. So everything is packaged so well. There were a few things that opened in transit, and there's a little bit of damage on the side of the box, but honestly, that's not a big deal to me. I'm gonna display it either way, so yeah. So 2 should be stickers. Yay! These are what they consider their planner stickers. So we've got the little gingerbread people. We've got gingerbread goodies. More gingerbread people, and then little gingerbread houses. And I'd already mentioned that I'm not going to use the stickers that they sent to decorate the house on the house. So I think I showed those in that video. Number 3. This is so fun. I've never had an advent calendar before. And I know I'm kind of spoiling it because we're doing it early, but I went into it knowing that I would do it early. Okay, so these are some stickers. So we have these are the bigger stickers. So we have the houses, and we have the people. Is there only 2 sheets? Maybe there's only 2. I thought there were 3. No? Yes? No? No, just 2. So how fun are these going to be to decorate the monthly and the weekly spreads? I cannot wait. Number 5. Yeah, I don't know how they're making money on these because of all of the packaging. There's 25 different days, plus the cost of the box, plus of the shipping. Ooh, so cute! Look at the little cow and the little reindeer. Oh my goodness, those are so cute. And the snow people, and they're all still gingerbread cookies. If you're new here, new to my channel, and you don't know me from the Jolly Fat Elf, gingerbread are a weakness. Hence why I picked up this calendar. Let me scoot out just a little bit. My desk is Hot Mess Express. So you can probably guess what day 6 is just by looking at the packaging. But let's take a look. Take a look. It's in our book. Reading Rainbow. So we have a dot grid journal. It's very thick and nice. They use, I believe they use 160 GSM paper. If I didn't already find the perfect bullet journal I'm going to set up for 2025 for my health and wellness journal, I would totally set this up. And maybe I will again at some point in my life. I don't know. But, yep. So you get two bookmarks. And then you have the front. It's 160 dot grid pages. Oh, it's 115 GSM cream paper. Lay flight binding, pin loop, 2 book ribbons, back pocket, and vegan leather cover. So now that I feel it, the paper is kind of thin. But it is a vegan leather. I don't know if you can see the texture. It's so stinking cute. I may have to use this next year around holidays. That was 6. Let's go to 8. Be our guest, put our service to the test. Show your neck and bend your neck shattering. We will perfect the rest. We've got some washi tape. You can probably tell that from the box. So we have the Gingerbread Village washi tape, which has got gold foil. And then we have just the Gingerbread Friends, which is all the little gingerbread. Super cute. Day 13. Nope, day 10. Day 10. Day 10. Ooh, the die cut stickers. So these are 5 die cut stickers, and these are actually waterproof. So I could, in theory, put these on a water bottle rather than trying to get one of those swig gingerbread cups. I mean, technically I could if I wanted to. Well, I probably not. Listen, gingerbread. My whole house would be gingerbread if I could find purple and silver gingerbread stuff. So aren't they so cute? Oh my word. I love her illustrations so much, especially like these. I don't know. There's just something about it that I just fallen in love with. As you may have noticed. Next, we have day 13, and you can probably already guess what this is. Oh my gosh. Ooh, we have this cute little holiday stamp. So they're not actual stamps, but they're washi tape in the shape of stamps. I think these would be fun to use on a card. Maybe we'll do that. Cute. Then we have day 20. Oh, these are so sweet. We have gingerbread sticky note pads. So there's 3 sticky note pads. I thought these would be fun, like in the weekly boxes or what have you, to write down to-dos. And then last but not least is number 22. And that is a cute little ruler. Initially, when I did this, I thought I was going to set up that bullet journal for December, and maybe I still will. I don't know. We'll see how I'm feeling. So it is an acrylic, and it has 2 protective sheets, 1 on each side. They're always really hard to start, but once you get it. Anyway, I'll take that off later, but isn't that adorable? Oh my word, it's just so sweet. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm ready to get December set up. I'm ready to just get into a good routine so I can hit 2025 off running. I have so many ideas, not only for this channel, but also my JollyFatElf channel and my booktube channel and my makeup channel. And I have lots of channels, and I need to get the booktube one up and running. I haven't done that yet. So anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I still think they have some of these in stock. They must, because they sent me a coupon if I wanted to buy another one. And listen, the temptation is real. But also, I already have a ton of stickers that I haven't had a chance to use yet. So, oh my gosh, look at them. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Do I think this is worth it? If it's something that you can fit in your budget, absolutely 100% it's worth it. After the new year, because they're not allowing people to do it right now, but after the new year, this stuff will be available in in their buy sell trade group, because there's going to be somebody who doesn't want to keep some of what they've gotten. But my goal is to use all of this with you. So I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. Please say hello in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.